Hi everyone, here's a video of a Tamiya Avante Junior unboxing and build. Here's a quick view of around the outside of the box. Now a view of inside the box. Here's all the parts laid out. There's actually a fair few parts in this little kit. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, let's get building. I didn't worry about painting the blue, I just gave it a bit of a polish and just painted the gold for the front suspension and silver for the suspension arms and that, and put all the stickers on, and I think it's come up pretty good how it is. Pretty happy with it. Now onto putting the chassis together, putting all the axles and wheels and tyres together. Got all the little gears there and the centre drive shaft, a little bit of grease and the motor there. Pretty much just clips together, snaps together. No real screws or anything to it. Pretty easy and basic. And here it is, all done, all together. Came up pretty good for what it is. And here it is with my full-size Avante. I think they look pretty cool together. Thanks for watching everyone. If you did like this, please give us a thumbs up and maybe subscribe. Have a look at all my other videos as well. Thank you.